Welcome back to my channel. You're welcome to Dina Anno. If you want to see how I created this look, then keep on watching. But before you watch, please, this is really important, subscribe to my channel. There's something down here or here showing the subscribe button. Just click on that button, click on the notification bell. There's a bell that will show up, and that's the way. I would also leave something on the screen showing you how to subscribe. If you're on Facebook, my YouTube channel name is Dina Anno, and yeah, if you're on Facebook, also like my Facebook page so that you get to see any video that I have. Hey guys, so I'm going in with Zikel Foundation. It's a matte foundation. I love how well it matches my skin. I'm going with using a flat brush, and then I would use another foundation brush to smoothen it out. I don't have a beauty blender. Now I'm using Lagirl foundation concealer in the shade Golden Beige. I'm using that to highlight my face. I'm blending it out with a brush, and then I'm adding Fawn just under the Golden Beige. I'm blending it out with a very small beauty blender. Now I'm using this I just have this random contour palette. I really like how it contours my face. The contour powder there has a little bit of red undertone, and it's good on my skin because my skin has red undertone. And then I'm setting my highlight with the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. I'm going to be baking because I want to apply eyeshadow, and the eyeshadow palette I'm using does have fallout, so this will help me catch any fallout. And I'm also using the powder to sculpt my face. This thing I'm doing here helps to lift the cheeks, so my cheekbone would appear lifted. I don't normally bake my forehead. I just use the powder to set it down. Now to my brows, I'm brushing them in place. I'm using the Davies eye pencil in number 18. If you want a detailed brow tutorial, that was the second to the last video I uploaded, so please check that out. I'm also going to leave a link to that video in the description bar. It's more detailed how I do my brows. I'm cleaning under my brows with the Zaron concealer. If you're an OD here, you would know I love to use the Zaron concealer. The shade I'm using is AZ10. Because of how it becomes thick when it dries and sticky, I just love how it gives me a very good canvas for eyeshadow, and it makes under my eye well defined. Now I'm using the NYX Jumbo pencil in milk. I use this as a primer. I'm in love with this primer. It makes my eyeshadow pop. I'm using the Avour Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. I'm going in with one of the orange shades there, and I'm just blending it, using it as my transition color. It's very pigmented, so I just try to apply as little as possible, and then I blend it out. And then I am contouring my eyes with the black, I think there's only one black shadow on that Avour Cosmetics Color Vision palette, and I'm blending it out. I want a soft look. I don't really want it to be too harsh, so that's why I'm not just pressing it on. So I'm applying and I'm spreading, but I'm just emphasizing it on my outer V, and then using it to contour the outer part of my crease. And I'm not going to take it all the way around my crease. Now with this Naked palette dupe from Decay, using one of the pink eyeshadows there, and I'm using this on my lid. I didn't cut my crease, like I said. I didn't want these eyes to be too defined. I just wanted a soft, simple look, so I'm applying that on my lid. I'm using a flat brush for this. Then I went in again with my transition color around my crease and my transition area, just to blend out everything. And I'm also blending it down to my nose. It helps to contour my face as well. Then I'm using a pen liner. Can't remember the name of the company. I'm lining my waterline. I'm lining my eyelid, prepping my eyes for lashes. I forgot to use mascara for this tutorial. And then dusting off the powders on my face that I used to sculpt my face. I'm going in with the classic makeup mix and face spray to set down my face. I love this setting spray. And then I'm using Davies eye pencil to line my lips. I would also use an eye pencil from iMagic Cosmetics. Their eye pencils are the bomb. They are very soft and super pigmented. And then I would go in with a liquid lipstick from Adventure Cosmetics. I think the one I used here today was Nude. And that's pretty it, guys. That's all I did. That's pretty it. I'm going in with Fawn at the center of my lips so that my nude lip would pop. And then lastly, I would use the Zikel Cosmetics liquid lip gloss in Nude. I'm applying my lashes and we are done. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share with your friends as well. I would apply blush and highlighter. I'm applying blush here. Where I was applying highlighter, power went off, so yeah.